Welcome to today's Explainer. We're stripping away the marketing hype to hand you the ultimate consultant's AI playbook. Think of me as your senior consultant for this session. Our goal? We are going to strictly calibrate your judgment skills so you can navigate this wildly shifting AI landscape with absolute confidence and, more importantly, protect your team from those expensive, totally avoidable pitfalls. Real talk for a second. How much time have you wasted by not truly understanding what AI can and cannot do? What would it actually mean for your daily workflow if you could handle routine, mind-numbing data extraction in half the time, while simultaneously improving the quality of your strategic decisions? Look, I've seen teams spin their wheels for literally weeks on tasks that AI can knock out in minutes. AI is already screening documents, it's drafting emails, it's summarizing your meetings. But there is a massive, game-changing difference between just using AI tools and using them well. So here's our playbook for today. 1. The AI hype reality. 2. Unpacking the tech stack. 3. Rules versus pattern matching. 4. The hallucination danger zone. And 5. The human AI checklist. All right, part 1. The AI hype reality. Let's just be completely honest about what this stuff actually does. The absolute foundation of our playbook is realizing that AI systems do not think. Honestly, they don't. They have zero consciousness, they don't understand context the way we do, and they certainly don't care about the outcomes of their decisions. You know, when a human is intelligent, we understand intention and consequence, right? But when AI is quote-unquote intelligent, it's really just performing operations on data according to mathematical patterns. It only knows what it was trained on. And since it trains on our human data, well, it naturally inherits our human biases. It's not magic, folks. It's just highly sophisticated statistics. Moving right along to section 2, unpacking the tech stack. You absolutely need to know these distinctions, especially when a vendor pitches you an AI-powered platform. Picture artificial intelligence as the biggest Russian nesting doll. It acts as this massive, broad umbrella term for any software making intelligent decisions. So if a system recognizes faces, or recommends a movie, or flags a top candidate, it all falls under this giant AI category. But just saying a tool uses AI, that doesn't actually tell you how it works. Now, pop open that giant AI doll, and inside, you've got machine learning, or ML. This is the engine behind most modern tools, and it shifts the paradigm completely. Instead of humans writing rigid, hard-coded rules, the system discovers its own statistical patterns from historical data. Imagine feeding a system 1,000 resumes of successful past hires. It learns the subtle, underlying characteristics that correlate with success without you ever having to manually program those specific rules. Open up that ML doll, and boom, natural language processing, or NLP. This is machine learning applied specifically to human language. NLP is the workhorse that extracts skills from a document, classifies job descriptions, and matches a profile to required skills. It's how the computer actually figures out that the word JavaScript on one page means the exact same thing as the letters JS on another page. And right in the center, the innermost doll, is the large language model, the LLM. Your ChatGPTs, your Claudes, and the generative tools embedded directly in your everyday software. These are incredibly powerful neural networks trained on massive amounts of pre-existing text. They predict what words should come next based on those billions of words they've consumed. They don't even need your specific hiring data to draft an outreach email because they've already read millions of professional emails. Which brings us to section 3, rules versus pattern matching. Here is where organizations stumble all the time. You have to master the critical distinction between traditional automation and modern machine learning. Rule-based automation follows your exact instructions every single time. Total transparency. Like, if a candidate has 5 years of experience, move them forward. It's rigid, sure, but you know exactly why it did what it did. Machine learning, on the flip side, is adaptive. It finds nuance, but it acts as a black box. I always tell my clients, automation is a calculator. Machine learning is an intuition engine. It might flag a great candidate based on a super complex pattern of job tenure and skill combinations that a human would totally miss, but it won't explicitly tell you why it did it. So, the absolutely crucial point here is understanding the limits of predictive machine learning. Say a vendor's tool tells you a candidate has a 78% likelihood of accepting a job offer based on its pattern analysis. But here's the massive trap most teams fall into. They treat that 78% trend prediction as a high-confidence certainty, and then they make binary, individual decisions without any human oversight. They might auto-reject someone who scored a 45%. But listen, that probability applies to a large population trend. For that specific individual person, the outcome is always 0 or 100%. They either accept or they don't. Maybe that 45% candidate just relocated to your city and is incredibly motivated, a context the AI totally missed. You cannot, I repeat, cannot, let AI make binary decisions about individuals.
Okay, moving to section 4, the hallucination danger zone.
This directly leads us into the most dangerous pitfall of large language models. Because an LLM is basically just playing the world's most sophisticated game of autocomplete, predicting the next likely word, it can confidently fabricate completely false information. As a consultant, I see this all the time. LLMs generating entirely fake legal citations, totally fabricating compelling but non-existent market statistics, or just straight up making up quotes from real people. It's not querying a verified database, it's just stringing together statistically probable words. For example, say you run a lengthy LinkedIn profile through an AI summarizer, and it spits out this incredibly impressive, authoritative-sounding sentence for you. You read it, trust the summary, and push the person forward to an interview. But here's the truth. It comes out in the interview that the candidate has only been at TechCorp for 2 years. The AI didn't intentionally lie to you. It just pattern matched its way into a wrong prediction that totally misrepresented the person's actual history. Words like leads and 12 years often statistically appear near marketing experience in its massive training data, so the AI just tossed them in there. So how do we protect ourselves? Section 5, the Human AI Checklist. To prevent these disasters and actually amplify your expertise, here's your final playbook. The most effective use of AI isn't replacing your judgment. It's about balancing task risk versus AI capability. Let NLP extract the data. Let LLMs conquer blank page syndrome for low-risk drafts. But when it comes to high-risk, contextual evaluation, knowing why your company culture is unique or understanding the nuance of a career gap, that is human territory. And most importantly, accountability always rests with the human. You can't fire an algorithm. You own the outcome. So next time you evaluate a new AI tool or assign a task, run it through this quick 3-step checklist to weigh that task risk. Step 1. Determine if you're asking the AI to process routine data or if you're improperly asking it to make a high-risk binary choice. Step 2. Ask yourself if there is hidden context the AI is blind to. And Step 3. Remind yourself who's holding the bag if the outcome is wrong. This checklist guarantees that you use tech to augment your intuition rather than blindly trusting it. Knowing what you know now about the nested tech stack, the absolute reality of hallucinations, and the difference between statistical probability and absolute truth, how will you apply your human judgment tomorrow? That wraps up our explainer today. Take these frameworks back to your teams, demand real clarity from your software vendors, and always remember, your human judgment, your empathy, and your contextual awareness remain the most valuable assets in an AI-powered world.